This is a new budget build and I'm installing a new M.2. Now this is the Western Digital Black Edition. It's the SN850X NVMe SSD. It's a gaming drive. And that is going to go in now. So what I want to do, to make it a little bit easier, I'm going to take out the graphics card. Just for the installation, that is.
It has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We want to chase the night, want to dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop.
Oops.
As we shout from the top, we're gonna be.
I need that to go in there. And I need to apply the heatsink, which is this little baby here, which has been used. Fortunately, it's got a little bit dirty, or a bit dusty, but it should still work fine. I'll get it in there.
As the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running